Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore here, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's topic, we're going to discuss about what is my expectation from this budget 2022. So I'll show you the charts and we'll see the technical point of the budget, what I'm expecting, and we'll discuss certain things with the charts as well.
All right, guys. So my expectation for the budget 2022. So as you can see from the screen, what happened is Nifty has already taken a strong level of support at the Fibonacci retracement level at 78.6%. And moreover, what happens is this area is acting as a strong level of support since the market is taking a support here, and the 78% retracement is also making a strong support for the market. And one more thing is for the past couple of weeks, the Nasdaq and the Dow Jones for the US market has been tumbling down, and it was, you can you go and check it up. So it was going like 0.5% to 1.5% to 2% down every day on day. But finally on Friday, it took a support and it went back, and it has closed in a bullish market. So we may expect a little pullback in our market as well. So my expectation for the budget is, coming to the technical point, first let us see the what are the expectation from the the market, what people are expecting. So this is just a expectation of the people. What they are expecting is, so there may be a revision in the income tax slabs, like maybe the income can be taxed at 5 lakhs, so that it can boost the purchase power of the middle class people. So that is on the track. And the second thing is, there can be a reduction of corporate tax, since the domestic corporate tax, they pay around 23% for Indian units, whereas the foreign companies, they used to pay around 40% as a corporate tax. Maybe reduction in that can bring new companies to India, which will also boost our employment as well. So that is one more thing. And the third thing is, most of the people, what they are expecting for the market is the STT charges. Maybe the it can be taxed, and the STT charges can be redeemed with the tax slab, or something they can do about the STT charges. So most people's expectation are on the STT charges as well. So if they try to do something on that, it will be great. And the fourth one is the disinvestment on the government companies like LIC IPO. They have already made a plan for that. So whatever I told you, the four major expectations from the market, in case if any one of this is positive, it can be the income tax slab, it can be the reduction in corporate tax, or it can be the STT, where the STT is the most important thing and the corporate tax is the most important thing. If any one of this is positive, we may see a huge momentum in the Nifty. So my thing for the technical point of view is, until the market breaks 16,400, the market is not in a sell trend, it's in a pure buy trend. So whatever you have seen here is just a correction, that the market has gone up to 18,400, and which it came down to 800 was just a correction in the market. So we cannot take this as a downtrend, this is a correction. So after the correction, we may see a huge momentum in the market as well for another 800 to 1,500 points. If any one of these the 4 points which I've given is positive, we may see a momentum in Nifty for 800 to 1,200 to 1,500 points movement. So I'm on the bullish side for this budget, and so we have to wait and watch. But in case if the market is able to break out below 16,400, have a proper risk management with proper stop loss, and I will go for a futures selling if the market is able to break and close below that, and I'll try to manage it with the options and future. But whereas my suggestion is, in this budget, it is always better to trade with the options market, since your risk can be limited with a certain amount. So my suggestion is, if you are able to afford whatever you can afford, which is not going to hit you very bad, like a 0.25% or a 0.5% or a 1% of your capital, if you're ready to risk in this budget, and if you're having a proper knowledge on the technical analysis, and you have a proper indication what you're going to do, and you as well as the suggestion what I made, and if you can manage your portfolio according to risk management and take a trade, that will be a great thing. So, but the thing is, always do your own research and then take a trade. So my suggestion and my point of view is I'm going for call options. So I may expect the market to move upwards if the support holds, and any one of the thing which I told you gets into action. We may see a 800 to 1500 points momentum in Nifty. So that is what I'm expecting from this budget. So let us wait and watch. So until market breaks 16,400, the market is not in a sell trend. I hope that is clear. So still we are in an uptrend, and this is just a correction, and the correction has not yet been changed to a uptrend yet. The correction has not been given a trend reversal, so we are just waiting. So hopefully on budget we can see the trend reversal, and we can see a huge momentum in the market as well. So that is my point of view for this budget. Have your proper risk and money management. Don't put all the put all the eggs in the single basket. That is always dangerous. See, most of the people, what they do is they have a thinking, since this is a once in a year opportunity, why don't I invest like 2-3 lakhs and get all the losses in a single trade? No, that doesn't work like that. So don't put all your eggs in a single basket lest it breaks out fully. So it is always better to have your proper risk and money management, and then have your proper analysis, and then take a trade. And I believe option will be the best option for this budget. All right, so that is my point of view on this budget, and I hope this helps you all.
So alright guys, so that is my expectation for the budget 2022, and whenever you're going to trade, have a proper risk management, and be cautious with those levels. So that is the important levels we are waiting for the markets to react. So, and have a safe budget trading as well. I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.